Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
So today we're going to learn about classes. So first we're going to do class car. So class is a blueprint for objects, which are things we build. So first we have a class called car. Then we're going to def, which is defined init. So init is a constructor, which will help us construct the class car. So then we have variables or attributes that describe the object. So which are color, year, make, and model for a car. I'm going to do self.color equals color, and the same for year, make, and model. Then we're going to do def, which is define again, show car self. So this is a function, or we can call it a method. So the method is called show car. Then when we run the method, it will print color, colon, and self.color, and the same for year, make, and model. Then we're going to do car1, which is the variable, equals, then the class car, gray, 2005, Honda, and Pilot. So we're doing the color, year, and make, and model. Then we're going to do a car2, which is red, 2010, Jeep Compass. These are two cars. Then we're going to make a list called cars with car1 and car2 in it. Then we're going to print cars1.color and cars0.color. So we're going to print the colors of car1 and car2, but why do we need the 1 and 0? It's because we need to specify which item you want to get the color out of in the list of cars. So lists are index 0, so the first item has an index of 0, and the second item has an index of 1, and so on. So we're going to print the colors. So we're going to save it and run it. So it did red and gray, so that is correct, because those are the colors of car1 and car2. Then we're going to do car2.showCar, so we're going to use the showCar function. Another way to do it is to do the class car.showCar, so the function, then specify which one, car2. Now we're going to save it and run it. So it did, color red, year 2010, make Jeep, and model Compass. So it repeats 2 times because we did it in 2 ways.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.